Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a sugar skull makeup tutorial for Halloween using products that you already have either in your makeup bag or that you can pick up at the drugstore or Ulta, whichever is closest to you. I'm going to first start by using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. A little bit goes a long way. The first thing we're going to do, because this is going to be like a really intense video or a lot of makeup, we're going to do the eyeballs first and then we're going to do everything else. So to do that, we're going to start with this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to do it on my eyelid, under my eyeballs, on my eyebrow. Then I'm going to take this fluff brush by Kenzie and I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to use the shade Royalty. And I'm going to swirl that in there. And I'm not going to tap off my brush because I want as much pigment as possible to go on my eye. And I'm just going to start gently doing my whole entire lid in purple. All the way up to the brow, all the way down to the crease, under the eye, all the way around. And you don't have to use this shade of purple. Any purple you have will work. Or any fun color, really. I'm using purple because I have a purple flower crown. Next, I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and Maybelline Fit Me Matte shade 122. And I don't use this on my clients, so that's why I'm using my Beauty Blender. And I'm going to go ahead and do all of my foundation. For a sugar skull, a lot of times they have white faces, but because this is makeup that you already have, you probably don't have white, so a really pale foundation works, or just your natural shade, whichever you prefer. Go ahead and put that on over your lips. On your nose, get all that, cover up all that purple that didn't just brush right away. Then I'm going to take my angled brush that I usually use for my contour, and I'm going to just keep using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use this shade called Abyss. It's just black. Stuck in my cheek to see under my cheekbone. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to do a little dot right here, a little bit right here, and then on my chin. And then I'm actually going to clean this off. This is a Clean Sweep makeup brush pad. I got this at TJ Maxx, but you can get them at a lot of beauty stores or you can order them on Amazon. And I'm just going to clean it off, and then once it's clean, like blend this more. Then I'm going to take this Master Kajal Cream Coat Eyeliner by Maybelline, and I am going to use it for little dots, and then I'm going to draw my nose. And any eyeliner pencil can work. It does not have to be this cream one. It can be a liquid as well. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline waterproof eyeliner. It does not have to be waterproof. And do some little chin detail. Detail some of my nose a little bit more. Perfect. These details a little bit. I'm going to take my Shape Tape one more time and I'm going to get a new clean sponge. Because this is a little bit lighter than my natural shade, because it's a concealer, I'm just going to do the lips. So you can really see what I'm drawing. And then just blend it out around the edges. That kind of blends more into your skin. And I'm going to start with drawing out like that. And then I'm going to draw little diagonals like an arrow. See? That way. And then come down and go the opposite way. And then like that. 1, 2, 3. Do that on the other side. And these don't have to be perfect because what skeleton is perfect? They're not. Once you do that, we're going to then do the details around the eye. A lot of sugar skulls, their eyeballs look like flowers. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to take our black liner and we are going to make little scallops all the way around the eye, and then we will fill them in with purple glitter shadow. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced glitter palette, and in here there is an intensifying base and a brightening base. I'm going to use the intensifying base. It's like a black and it's going to make it look darker and really show up. And then I'm going to use the shade Hot Dang. It actually uses a cuss word, but I'm not going to say that. I'm going to take my little brush like this and I'm going to do it in the black intensifying base and fill in all of these little scallops and really fill in your eyebrow because we don't want that to show. And then I'm going to use the shade Hot Dang. It's a purple glitter, and I'm just gonna go right on top of that black with Hot Dang. And again, you don't have to use this Too Faced. You can keep using just your normal purple that you were using before. This is just a fun glitter shade that I like. And then for some extra fun, I'm going to take the my Stila glitter Kitten Karma, and I'm going to dot, dot, dot. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Hot Dang over that, because that's like the Stila is like a glitter liquid, and so to get it to stay on my skin, a little better and to add a little extra glitter. Fun. And so now we're going to take the Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette, and it's got some really fun shades, purple, blue, green. I'm going to take the Spectra, which is the purple, and I'm going to use it's a blush brush, but I'm going to take it, and anywhere I've done black eyeshadow, I'm going to put a little bit of this purple Glow Kit on top. Give it a little extra shimmer. And now I'm going to take the black eyeliner again, and I'm going to line my eyes just like a real big wing here. And I'm also going to do a little bit on the tip of my nose just to kind of shine up that real matte black there. Oh, and I just realized I didn't do the bottom of my lip. That looks weird. Do a little black liquid across the bottom. Then I'm going to take this really, I don't really know what this is, like a concealer brush, I guess, but it's by Morphe, and I'm going to stick it in my black and kind of shadow that a little. Make it look a little more real. Okay. Now I'm going to take the CoverGirl Supersizer Fibers and just do a little mascara. You could do lashes with this if you'd like. Okay, and now that we've done that, I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to do a fun little French braid across the front, but I'm going to actually leave out a little bang on both sides. Let's see. So, my hair's parted this way, but I'm actually going to braid this way because it'll kind of like stand out and be more bumped up because my hair is like blown dry the other direction. So, I'm going to start right here and try to get as close to the scalp as possible. Hoping you guys can see this. And just keep adding a little bit of hair at a time. Doing a overhanded braid so that it really, like a cornrow, so it pops off the scalp instead of being like more into the scalp. Keep going right underneath here, really tight, because I'm going to show you how we're going to loosen it up and make it look bigger. Now that I've braided it, I'm going to tie it with a hair tie with a lot of extra room at the end, and I'm going to just start pulling it out a little bit as I go, starting at the bottom and moving my way up the braid. So it's fanned out, but you have to have extra room at the bottom or it won't work. Keep pulling it until it's real big and loose. And then I got this purple flower crown off of Amazon, $12.99. And we're going to hair. You can wear your hair, you can put all your hair down. You can do a braid, you can curl your hair. You could pull it all back and have it tucked around the back of the flower crown. That would be like really cute. Actually. And bobby pin or just clip your hair up in the back. So here we are with a Sugar Skull Day of the Dead. I hope you guys can recreate this look for yourself. If you do, make sure you tag me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. My handles are Caroline Lael on every social media platform except for my hair page is hairby_Caroline Lael. So make sure you guys tag me, and if you feel like this is not for you and you want to have somebody do your makeup for Halloween, I am offering those services. So send me a private message and I can set you up with an appointment. I hope you guys enjoy my tips and tricks for Halloween makeup, and I'll see you on the next video.